So second class, so those animals, they don't come under the pet animals. Yak is a wild animals. Is it clear, children? So you have understand this lesson. Please take it. Yes. Good morning, second class children. Very good morning to all. How are you all? Are you all fine? So yesterday class, how do you understand? Yes. Which lesson I taught you? Animals that help us. Isn't it? How do you remember yesterday points? What are the points I made you to understand? Yes. What are they? About which animals they give us milk, which animals they give us egg, in which way earthworm is helpful to plants, and this silkworm is helpful in which way they are giving us silk threads, isn't it? So I had explained in very detailed way, isn't it? So once again I will tell you in Telugu. Yesterday what I taught you, నేను ఏం చదివించాను మీకు అందరికీ? Yes, which animals they give us milk. Yeah, what are the animals? ఏంటి ఏమేం animals మీకు పాలు ఇస్తున్నాయి అన్నాను? Cow, buffalo, goat and camel, isn't it? So what happened? These animals, what do they give us? They give us milk. Then what about the hen and duck? They give us egg. And what about the silkworm? Silkworm will give us silk. Okay. Then what about this earthworm? Where earthworm is it useful for us? No, that is useful for what? Plants. Okay. Where you can see this earthworm? Inside the soil. Okay, inside the soil. Okay. In which way they are helping the plants? Yes, they too, they eat the food from the soil. What type of food they are eating? Are they eating the plant's roots? No, they are eating the small insects and worms, okay, which is inside the soil. So these things we had learnt only yesterday, isn't it? So we learnt about the domestic animals, in which way they are helping us. Some animals they give us milk, some animals they give us egg, that is example is hen and duck. The next one is silkworm, about the silk, then earthworm, isn't it? Yesterday we completed all those four things, in which way they are helpful for us. So which animal they give us? Milk, cow, goat, isn't it? Buffalo. The next one, yes, camel. Okay, second class children can able to follow me? Camel. Then what about egg? Hen and duck. Hen and duck. From where do we get the silk? Silkworm, isn't it? From where do we get the silk? Silkworm. Then what about the earthworm? Earthworm gets the food from where? Yes, earthworm gets the food from the soil. What is this? Soil. Soil ki manali matti. Matti lopala em untundi? Earthworm ki food dorukutundi. So dani valla em avutundi? Plants they can grow very healthy, isn't it? So this is the way. Okay. So we learnt only about yesterday 4 points. Which animal they give us milk, which animal they provide eggs, and which animal is using to give what? Silk. Okay, silk thread. Yesterday I told you, please tell your mom to show the threads. Okay. So the next one, earthworm. Earthworm you can't see, but it is will be inside the soil. Okay. మట్టి తోమితే మీకు ఏమొస్తుంది? ప్లాంట్స్ మీరు పెడతారు కదా, దాని మట్టి లోపల ఈ పురుగు ఉంటుంది ఎర్త్వామ్. ఈ ఎర్త్వామ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? ప్లాంట్స్ మంచిగా హెల్తీగా గ్రో అవ్వడం కారణం ఎవరు? ఎర్త్వామ్. బికాస్ ఈ ఎర్త్వామ్ ఏం తింటుంది? ఆ మట్టిలో ఉన్న చిన్న ఇన్సెక్ట్, దానికైనా చిన్న ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ని ఇవి తినేస్తుంది. ఇవి తినడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ ప్లాంట్స్ మంచిగా పెరుగుతుంది. సో దీస్ థింగ్స్ వీ లెర్న్ yesterday, and now I am using a mother tongue, so please follow me, and because for you to make understand, okay, it should be very clear for you all. So slowly you listen this session once again by keeping your headphones in your ear. Okay children, now today the new class is about which animal carry loads. Okay, which animal carry the loads? ఏ అనిమల్ మనకి బరువు ఎక్కువ తీసుకుంటుంది? బరువు మోయడం అనిమల్స్ ఏవి? yes, elephant. yes, someone is saying, I think so, some children are saying, what are they? Elephant, donkey, isn't it? Horse, then camel. You have seen the camel, no? Camel. Then what else? elephant, donkey, horse and camel. Okay, some other animals also there. You can take the bull. Okay, so those animals, they carry the loads. They carry what? Heavy loads. Okay, వీళ్ళందరూ ఏమొస్తారు, బరువు ఎక్కువ మోయడం అనిమల్స్ ఏది. సో ఎలిఫెంట్ కానీ, డాంకీ కానీ, క్యామెల్ కానీ, హార్స్. క్యామెల్ మీద మీరు అందరూ కూర్చున్నారా? హ్యావ్ యూ వెంట్ టు రైడ్ క్యామెల్ రైడ్? హ్యావ్ యూ డన్? ఎస్. దెన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ హార్స్ రైడ్? హార్స్ రైడ్ యూ హ్యావ్ డన్? ఎస్. బుల్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ వేర్? ఇన్ అగ్రికల్చర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ఫార్మ్ అనిమల్. Then what about elephant? It is a wild animal, but it is also helpful to us, okay, to carry the logs, big wooden logs. Okay, the next one. So now let me know about the where do we get the leather? Which animal give us leather, and how, in which way they are used as? We are using leather is a one type of. From where do we get this leather? From the skin of which animal? Elephant. Yes. The next one, bull. Okay. Even you get from snake, rhinoceros and some other animals. So mainly we get leather from where? Camel. From camel. Then what? Snake. Then rhinoceros. Okay, so these, from this animal skin, their body skin, they are using for what purpose? Leather. They are using for leather purpose. Okay, so ఇంట్లో మీరు బెల్ట్స్ కానీ, హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్స్ కానీ, షూస్ కానీ, ఇవన్నీ దేంతో చేసినవి? లెదర్ తోటి. ఇది ఒక స్కిన్. ఓకే, అనిమల్ స్కిన్. అనిమల్ని చంపడం కాదు, న్యాచురల్ డెత్ ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ అనిమల్స్ని చంపి తీస్తే అవి తప్పు. దట్ ఈస్ అ పనిషబుల్ యాక్ట్. ఓకే, so we should not kill any animals. If animal death, if it is a natural death, it is no problem. And they remove the skin from the animal. They will make to use what? Leather handbags, shoes, belts and other things also extra. Okay, now let me talk about the bull. Bull, where it is used? It is used in agriculture for to plow the land. Okay, మనం ఎక్కువ ఈ బుల్ని ఎక్కడ చూస్తాము? మనము ఎద్దుబండిలు ఎక్కడ ఉపయోగం అవుతుంది మనకి? పొలాల్లో. Okay, so this animal is used in where? To plow the land in agriculture. Is it clear, children? So the next one topic is what? We are talking about the sheep. Sheep gives us what? Wool. You are wearing sweaters during winter season, isn't it? You used to wear sweaters, monkey caps, socks. From where do we get all those threads? From wool. So which animal gives us wool? Sheep gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool. Okay, so like you have seen that egg, which animal you said? Hen and duck. Then what about silk? Silkworm. And from where do we get milk? Means you told, did you say that like cow, goat, buffalo and camel. Then what about leather? You get the leather from camel, rhinoceros, snake and buffalo. Then what about wool? You get wool from sheep, isn't it? Okay, this bull is used in where? Which bull? Where you are using? In agriculture, to plow the land. It is not only a domestic animal, it is a farm animal. Which animal is a farm animal here? Elephant is a farm animal. No, teacher. Horse and donkey? No. Then which animal is a farm animal here? Bull. Bull is a farm animal. We are used for what purpose? Agriculture, isn't it? Now let me talk about the pet animals. Which animals? Pet animals. Now listen, children. Pet animals, which are they? Tell me. Some people, they used to keep dog, okay, cat and some birds too. But let me talk about only dog and cat. Dog, where do you keep? You have to provide the food, water and shelter for the pet animals, isn't it? And you feel so happy if you are having any pet animal with you. Will you cry daily like that by seeing the pet animal or by seeing the dog or cat? No. You feel so happy. Why you are feeling so happy? Because all the pet animals, they'll follow the way how you are talking with the pet animal, isn't it? So you are enjoying day to day, and you should not only you are enjoying with the pet animal, but you should have to keep the pet animal very healthy and clean, isn't it? సో డాగ్ కానీ కిటన్స్ క్యాట్ కానీ పెట్టుకుంటే మనం ఎలా చూసుకోవాలి? వాళ్ళని మంచి హెల్తీగా చూసుకోవాలి, క్లీనింగ్నెస్ కూడా మనం మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో ఎక్కడక్కడ వదిలేస్తారు కుక్కని, దానికని ఒక ప్లేస్ పెట్టాలి, కెనల్ పెట్టాలి, దాంట్లో వెళ్ళిపోయి కూర్చుంటుంది, చక్కగా ఒక ప్లేట్ పెట్టాలి తినడానికి, అలా పెట్టాలి. ఎక్కడక్కడ ఇంట్లో రోటీలు కానీ అన్నం పెట్టేస్తారా ఫ్లోర్ మీద? నో, that is very bad habit. You should have, whenever you are having any pet animal, you should keep them very healthy and clean, children. Is it clear, all of you? So now why are some people know they have the habit of keeping the cats? Why? To catch the mice. To catch the mice. Okay. So why this cat is what is the main food for the cat? Not only milk or other food. Okay. It is a plant eating animal. It eats all roti, rice. Other than that, which animal it will be eagerly waiting to have that thing? Yes. What is that? Mice. Okay. So now why this cat we are keeping at home? To catch the mice. Okay. The next one, what about a dog? Dog will guards our home. మన ఇంటికి ఎవరు చూసుకుంటుంది మంచి జాగ్రత్తగా దొంగలు పడలేకుండా మన ఇంటికి దొంగలు వస్తారు అని మీకు ఒక భయం ఉంటుంది రాత్రిపూట పండుకుంటే, అవునా కదా? అప్పుడు ఆ కుక్క ఇంట్లో ఉంటే ఎవరు చూసుకుంటారు? మీరు మేల్కొని ఉంటారా? కాదు కదా. బట్ మీ పెట్ డాగ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ యూ and your belongings at home, isn't it? So this is the way all the pet animals, they are helping us, okay, to take care of not only for us, they are taking care and they'll follow our words, isn't it? For such animals you should keep very healthy and clean, children. Is it clear, second class children? Can you able to follow me? So like this. And wool, where it is used, I told you. And what about a leather? I had given the instructions. Then a yak is a wild ox found in the mountain. It gives wool, milk and also carries the load. It is one type of wild animal, yak. You have not seen it, yak animal. It is a wild animal. It gives not only wool, one more thing, it carries the loads. That is the only one animal. Okay. Yak is not a domestic animal. It is a wild animal, but it carries load. It gives us wool and also milk. So those. So second class children, I hope this class is very clear for you. Try to understand this lesson and revise this lesson by keeping your headphones in your ear. Okay, just listen the class. I had completed today lesson number 3, animals that help us. Okay, so tomorrow teacher will give you the hard words. Be ready with the science class of notebook, children. Or I think this class is very clear for you all and you have understand this lesson very detailed way. Okay, so tomorrow teacher will give you the hard words and be ready with that. Thank you, children. Take care. Second class children.